The proximity of the clinic to the lab enables that deliverable of the key quality data that our clients depend upon for decision making.
I'm Julianne Cabana, and I'm here today to discuss Alta Sciences and how we truly integrate our service offering. With me today, I have Ingrid Holmes and Lynn Lesauteur. When something doesn't go right, or something does go right, what was a funny situation that you experienced?
Well, what comes to mind was a challenging study we had where we had to assess some endpoints with regard to stimulation of the immune system. And this really was a great opportunity for us to work even closer together to really assess what would be the best endpoint for the client. And it didn't only stop there, it was the logistics of how to set that up in the clinic, because it required real-time stimulation of cells and then rapid shipment to the laboratory. The proximity of the clinic to the lab enables that deliverable of the key quality data that our clients depend upon for decision making.
Yeah, I think to back it up a little bit, it's the same example Lynn gave, but a client came to us with a big problem to begin with, and that cell stimulation process itself is very challenging for pretty much any clinic to do on their own, and there are very few who could. So it was a bit of a Hail Mary on their side to throw it to us and say, do you think you'd be able to do this? And all I had to do was pick up the phone and organize for 4 people, 2 people from the clinic and 2 people from bioanalysis, to get on the phone together. And we came back to the client within a couple of days with 2 really good options for them. And it was a yes, yes option. You know, yes, we could do it this way. Yes, we can do it another way. And the way we opted to do it, I don't think any other CRO would have been able to do, in that we actually set up a lab directly here in the clinic, brought the bioanalysis staff to us to work here, and it was hugely successful. So it was a little funny in a way, because the client really was not expecting it, and when we got back on the phone and gave them all the options, they were pretty impressed.
Thank you so much for joining me today, and I really hope that we were able to show all of you out there how Alta Sciences integrates its solution offering. Thank you again for joining, and I hope you have a great day.